Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. So today, mag-react tayo sa live salubong ng SB19 sa kanilang Visa, man. Visa, what a banger of a song. If hindi nyo pa napapakinggan yung Visa, come on guys, pakinggan nyo na. No, napakagandang kanta. Yung lyrics niya, sobrang talino ng pagkakasulat, no? But yeah, few of you is requesting for us to react sa live salubong nila ng Visa. So that's what we're doing right now. And without no further ado, let's get it. I just realized they're doing this on YouTube, right?
Pakakawalan namin na itong tao na to.
Wala lang tayo sa media.
Pag binigay
Ba't ganyan si Josh? Terorista?
nyo
Ganun?
kami ng 10 milyon.
Ano ba?
Ngayon,
Pasok ka dito.
Oo nga. Medyo may space pa dito eh. Oh. Kay Ken. Yan.
10 milyon.
By the way, I just wanna say, man, Stell is bagay sa kanya yung buhok niya, no? Bagay na bagay. Kahit nga yung asawa ko, sabi, ganda daw ang lakas daw ng dating ni Stell ngayon eh.
Good morning,
I
Philippines.
mean, always naman, pero you know what I mean, right?
Ilang minuto na lang. Narinig ba tayo? Can you guys
Check.
hear us?
Ayun yung volume natin. Audio natin. Medyo mahina.
Yung turo ako ni Pablo, man.
Or kukunin talaga natin.
Say mo nga.
Check.
Wala yung
Oh,
Check.
Apo,
Check.
rinig po.
Roots na yun.
Chess. Hindi kailangan pataasan niya. Kailangan ito.
Yan yung live.
Check.
Mahina. Wala na bang taas?
Check.
Tataasan pa? Chess.
Hoy, ba't yun?
Check.
Yes.
Yo.
Na-release na kagabi yung kanta, no?
Kanina.
Kanina mo.
Music video. Okay. So this is the salubong ng music video nga pala, no? So, basically, nalabas na yung kanta ng alas 12 ng madaling araw, no? Tapos ito salubong ng alas 12 patanghali.
Okay na. Yay!
Yay!
Welcome to Show Break.
Show break?
So, right now we're
I miss show break,
for
guys.
the music video of Lisa live sa Lubong.
Ang sad
Because
naman.
we want to celebrate
Ang lungkot naman.
This milestone with you guys, and we want to share some
Share somebody wants to me.
our lyrics. Yeah.
Really, huh?
Naging smash mouth, no?
You should speak in English.
Yeah.
If you're not gonna give us visas, we're gonna kill this man.
Because last night when we released the song, Here's the Philippines, dahil sa ibang bansa na una siya. So there are so many discussions and questions about the song, the lyrics, the process, and syempre the music video. So we want
Ano napapanood mo sa ano?
answer the questions. Yes.
We want to say hi to 18 all around the world. 18 from Indonesia, 18 from
Rizal.
Thailand,
18 Rizal.
18 from USA, Las Vegas, USA. Models.
Ayoko na muna galawin kasi baka mamaya.
So right now we have 4.9, there's 4.8.
God
Hi
damn.
guys, good morning.
Hi. 18 from Japan, Canada,
Are we just live on YouTube?
Josh Holdupper era.
Nakapanibago, no? Live sila sa YouTube. Usually, nag-live sila, di ba,
18
sa
from San Diego,
TikTok.
hi. Also 18 from Batangas, hi.
Maybe, I guess, kasi ano siya, nasa lubong ng music video na i-upload sa YouTube. So, makes sense na sa YouTube magla-live.
Ito po ako.
From Brazil.
May nagawa na si kaya nagtataas.
Yeah. Remember, same as Kalakal, di ba? Yung may live sila na madedirekta ka na lang sa music video
Ano
after
na
nung
yun, di
ano.
ba?
Panood na.
Oh. Anong reaction niyo muna? Dahil wala pa silang idea.
Yun yung ang problema ko nga kasi. Pinanood natin na wala pa ng mga effects. Dapat pala pinanood ka kapag kumpleto na.
Ay, ganun.
Nung nag-send ng may effects
Oo nga, pero syempre, nung una ko pinanood, kahit wala pa effects, natuwa ako. Yun, natuwa ako.
Pero actually, upload natin yung walang effects. Kasi wa effect eh.
Diba, effect?
Wa effects. Wala pa rin dati.
Okay.
Guys, pwede pengin naman ang energy dyan, no? Energy, guys!
Kaya nga eh.
Pengin naman.
Kaya yata ako parang kagigising lang. I mean, makes sense. Morning pala na yan to. Morning, right? Morning.
Anak ng...
Makes sense.
Nung pati.
Okay, 1 minute, then we will start with...
questions.
A lot of people are like tuning in, no? From Malaysia,
Questions.
New Zealand,
Okay, yeah.
different
We
time
have
zones.
6.1 viewers.
Mga sibling din sila. mga
6.1?
This is gonna be an interesting live, no? Especially yung kanta na nilabas nila. Na again,
Ilan nga?
marami silang mga linya na,
Ah,
you know,
6,000.
maraming magiging questions yung mga 18 or even mga casuals na gusto nilang malaman kung ano mismo yung thoughts nila habang sinusulat yun.
Switzerland ba yung ano, yung parang may cross? Yung kulay pula na gano'n. Hindi, New Zealand ata.
Germany.
Germany.
Bano ko sa mga...
Okay.
Okay. We can't
Same
stop.
pen. Mga flag,
So, let's talk
yung mga
about.
maasahan.
No.
Do you have any specific experiences during nung tour natin na we feel like the issue of like nagkaroon tayo ng idea with visa ganyan na kaya na-inspire tayo to make visa? Is it from the tour ba or any experiences?
Actually,
Can you share?
sobrang dami nating experiences eh. Kasi alam naman natin sa industry na to, di ba parang ano siya, kailangan mabilis ka kumilos eh, in a snap. Kasi yung mga opportunities, dumadating rin siya ng bigla-biglaan. So, yung hurdle na kailangan mo nang mag-apply ng visa, tapos parang ang tagal ng approval or ang haba ng pila,
Mahaba ng
parang
pila.
sobrang hirap na lumipad talaga. Or alam mo yun, para ma-achieve mo or mapuntahan mo yung opportunity. So parang for us, it's a lost opportunity. At the same time, sa mga people natin na tumutulong mag-apply ng visa, hirap na hirap din sila kasi parang sila yung nag-a-apply na yung requirements, ganyan, sobrang rush, di ba? Tapos makikita
Yeah, I mean, that's the meaning in the surface of the song. Diba? Yun yung meaning sa taas. But we all know the, you know, the actual, like, hidden meaning of the song. Kung para saan talaga to.
yung mga tao talagang inuumaga na mag-asikaso ng mga bagay-bagay.
Sure.
So, it's been hard. Pero if I'm to share a personal experience pagdating sa pag-apply ng visa, hindi related sa trabaho. More on first time ko na magpupunta ng ibang bansa. Nag-work pa ako noon sa company. Tapos
okay.
nag-ipon ako. Tapos, di ba syempre kailangan may show money ka. Ipapakita yung ADP mo, yung mga ganon, para ma-approve ka sa visa. So nag-ipon ako ng maraming pera. But I don't know, for me kasi marami na nun dati yung 100K eh. So nakaipon ako ng 100K sa bangko.
Wow.
Tapos,
Sana all.
tapos,
Sana all,
syempre,
man.
This
This is before SB19, ha? Alam mo lang yung leeg ko, pagkakamot ko. Sakit nga rin, nagkamali ako ng kamot. Ang sakit.
apply ako, tapos bumili ako ng ticket. Actually, yung 100K yun, hindi ko naipon yun. Inutang ko lang yung para pang show money lang.
Kaya wala yung sa ADB mo.
Hindi, inutang ko na siya matagal na. Parang 3 months before pa kasi
Okay.
ko na. Tapos ngayon, bumili na ako ng ticket and all, ganyan. Tapos nag-apply ako. Tapos, na-deny yung visa ko. First time ko yun,
Ayun
tapos
lang.
sobrang heartbreak ko. Parang na-trauma ako na ayoko na mag-apply ulit. Kasi kung yung ticket na bibiling ko, iniipon ko yung sahod ko, tapos ma-deny lang pala ako.
Oo nga pala. Sayang yung effort.
Pera. Sayang pera ko kasi round trip yun
sayang
20
yung
plus K yun eh. Isang buong sahod na yun, di ba? Parang
Mhm.
ang dami mo lang mapapakain dun. So, wala lang. Yun yung pinaka-traumatic experience
Yung
para
hotel
sa
na
akin.
kamukha na nun.
Oo, kompleto na lahat. So, more than
Ilang
50K
araw ka
siguro.
dapat mag-stay na?
Isang linggo. Trip yun. Ano yung experience ko?
Ako meron akong one specific experience. Well, hindi naman siya sa akin nangyari talaga. Pero yung time na na-invite ako sa Australia to attend yung
Kangaroo?
Kangaroo. To
Kangaroo?
attend a screening ng weekend. So parang it was me and one sa staff. sabay kaming nag-apply ng visa. Tapos parang okay naman, parang smooth naman. Kasi di ba minsan parang hindi naman sa mahirap. I mean, minsan kasi pagka parang pag artist ka, pag kilala ka, may special treatment. So parang madalas siyang nangyayari. Tapos siya, medyo yung feeling, medyo thankful ka kasi parang
Yun.
dahil nga kilala ka, medyo
Yun pala eh.
smooth yung process mo. Pero on the other side, pag nakikita mo yung ibang tao na hihirapan, parang ba't ganun pagka porket artista or kakilala? Parang, alam mo yun, may special treatment. Pero
Like,
pag normal citizen, parang,
I mean, doon pa lang malalaman mo na na meron talagang kayang-kaya talaga magbigay ng special treatment sa ibang tao. 'Di ba? And nakikita ni Stellion as, again, nandun na siya sa other side, which is, again, popular na sila, 'di ba? Napakalaki nilang artists doon sa Pilipinas. So, may recognize talaga sila, may special treatment kahit hindi nila gusto, 'di ba? Which is, kahit naman na sila, kailangan din nila no? Kailangan din kasi may atidan silang ganito sa ibang bansa. So, kailangan din lang mabilis sa transaction. So, nagiging thankful na lang sila dahil nabibigyan sila na-prioritize sila. Pero at the same time, nakikita niya yung hirap ng ibang tao sa pagkuha ng visa compare sa kanya. Which is,
very challenging. Parang ganun lang yung pumapasok sa
Sa proseso.
Sa process.
Pero sa pag-approve, hindi naman.
Hindi kasi, ang nangyari, ako nabigyan ng visa, like after 2 days, 3 days, approve. Pero yung kasabay kong staff na nag-apply ng visa, hindi siya na-approve. Like, ang daming follow-up, wala. Tapos hanggang sa ending, ako lang yung natuloy pumunta nang walang kasama. So parang, pagka inisip mo siya, parang bakit may mga ganong instances na nangyayari? To think na, alam mo yun, minsan mapapaisip kay ano yung mali sa tama or ano yung kulang sa hindi.
Diba?
May mga ganun. For sure, may mga ganun experiences din sila na kahit anong tanong nyo, wala namang sagot kasi never naman siyang alam mo yun, na nabigyan ng sagot. So, ayun yung personal experience ko. Na sabi ko, parang ang hirap naman pala nun kung wala akong trabaho, madali lang sa akin for me mag-travel. Pero kung trabaho siya, tapos wala kang kasama, tapos hindi ko alam yung gagawin doon. Medyo
hirap talaga nun.
mahirap siya. So, yun yung pinaka-personal experience sa visa application.
Ikaw, boss, wala ka pang kwento?
Never mabibigyan ng visa. Yun.
Kasi nag-apply ako
Terorista
visa, nakaganito ako eh. So, alam mo na ngayon. Hindi, pero siguro
Terrorist. What's happening?
yes, ang entourage na din, kumbaga for the whole experience of SB19, siguro ang pinaka-ano ko lang dyan, we've been giving so much of course, we have high hopes and I personally love our country. Sobrang mahal ko ang Pilipinas.
Okay.
Pero sometimes parang medyo
Hirap mahalin, no?
Parang, bakit nga gano'n, no? Parang, ang dami mong ginagawa, pero parang hindi pa rin ako consider. Or yun, tulad ng mga challenges na hinaharap natin kapag magtutour tayo, na minsan kulang-kulang, bungi-bungi yung team, and last minute lahat. Kumbaga, I understand, I always try to understand na nasa third world country tayo. Ang economy natin at syempre ang differences
talaga.
natin from ibang bansa malayo. Pero I just feel bad, not just for me, but ako, dami kong kaibigan siguro na naging same problems. So, I even had one time na parang, although this is a family trip, na na-deny nga yung family ko. So, nasayang din lahat ng katulad doon sa'yo. Parang binuko.
Effort, no?
And non-refundable. So, high hopes kasi ako na laging, na maganda yung mangyayari. Lalo na may position ka na or siguro may ginagawa ka na for the country, di ba? Nakaka-frustrate lang minsan na not to put anyone down or pero or hindi naman dapat sisihin, pero feeling ko lang na outdated yung sistema na meron tayo as of now.
Talaga. Yung sa Pilipinas, ako.
So, how did you balance turning a deeply personal frustration into a song that speaks for overseas Filipino workers, athletes, and creatives more broadly?
Wala kang kwento? Wala kang kwento sa video.
May question?
Naalala ko lang si Kuya Mark, yung
Hindi na
nasa
nasagot yung
Canada
question.
tayo nun, wala tayong stylist. Di siya nakalipad.
From
Bakit
Visa.
nga nangyari?
Visa.
Visa rin.
Oh, visa naman yun eh.
Hindi nakapagpasa ata ng requirement.
Ay, si Kuya Mark pala. Kasalanan pa rin ko.
Skill issue.
But, ayun nga.
Pero kasi
Skill
iba,
issue.
di ba? Parang
Skill
hindi na
issue.
kailangan pa kasi. Pwede siya lumipad kahit anytime.
Pero
Tsaka
ayun
matigas.
nga. Yeah. Meron pa kayo i-share. Kasi after Josh, it's too serious daw for a morning show. So they're asking if it's okay if we play our song Visa.
Okay.
Just to vibe lang, vibe check daw.
Energy na muna.
Yeah.
Vibe check.
Yeah, vibe check muna tayo.
Icebreaker muna.
Yeah, kasi
Alright.
it's very early and then it's a very serious topic.
Vibe
at
check,
this
let's
early
go.
morning. So,
Wala lang kayo energy. Kasi minsan pag nagkukwento naman tayo, ito yan.
Morning eh.
Tsaka di ko magets yung trip na itong katabi ko.
Hindi
Eh.
pa lang na. Background music na lang.
Hindi mo na lang isa.
Terorista yung vibe na.
Usually,
Yes.
oo nga eh. Sabi ko nga next time, ayusin natin yun. Parang ano talaga, stream talaga natin yung may background. Tapos
May tatawa.
parang, oh,
Soundboard.
Soundboard yan.
I mean, sa stream nga natin, ganun tayo eh. Ganito na lang yung gawin natin next time.
Ay,
Okay.
ayun na po yung patugtog natin. Thank you. Thank you po. Kasi
Ang hina
narinig niyo
eh.
po. Kayo lang eh. Pag kayo, pwede. Guys, ang ibig sabihin namin stream sa inyo, stream nyo sa mga bahay nyo. Pakinggan nyo.
Naman nyo. Hindi dito sa live.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, bigyan nyo na lang sa akin yung last 3 digits ng mga visa nyo.
Last 3 digits.
Visa card.
So we can still continue while the music is playing.
Apat yun sa akin eh.
Apat sa'yo?
Amix eh.
Can we still continue with the question? Pwede. Can we continue with the questions while playing? Okay, next question. How did you balance
Hindi ka natin narinig yung ano eh.
frustrations
yung
into a
music
song
eh.
that speaks for overseas Filipino workers, athletes, and
Ayun,
creatives
napansin na yung
more
question ulit.
broadly?
How did you balance turning deep?
Yeah.
Alam mo, yun nga eh, nakakaano eh. Kasi lagi natin sinasabi na ang mga Pinoy sobrang talentado.
Mhm.
Pero dito sa Pilipinas, parang, ano bang tawag doon? Underemployed or, alam mo yun yung parang lumilipad pa sila sa ibang bansa. Kasi doon nila na-achieve yung,
Doon
syempre
maraming
siguro yung value
mas mapapansin yung ano
binibigay ng
natin.
service.
Halaga.
Pero dito,
Halaga natin.
pwede naman dito gawin kung merong may opportunities or maayos.
Equal yung
Yun nga,
balik.
kailangan pa nila lumipad. Diba? Syempre mahirap yun for everyone na iwan mo yung family mo para
Yeah. Oo.
mag-aaral ka ng bagong culture, makikisama ka doon sa ibang bansa. Although, let's speak English also. Alright.
Okay.
Tapos, ayun lang, parang, ano ba yung
Let's
tanong?
speak English.
Can we-
Let's speak English also. Tapos, ano lang, nagtagtagalog diretso eh.
English also. Alright. Tapos, ayun lang, parang, ano ba yung
Let's
tanong?
speak English. Okay.
Can we go back to the question again? The other one. And how do you balance?
Frustrations into a song that speaks for overseas Filipino workers, athletes, and creatives.
Yun lang. Tapos, di ba, syempre, yung mga
Ang kulit, alam ko speak English. Ano ba? Si Pablo, lutang eh.
athletes natin, yun, nabanggit ko last time, si Alex Ayala,
Yeah.
na yung sa tennis. Tapos parang na may nabasa akong interview na it's so hard for her as an athlete na sa visa rin. Kumbaga,
She needs to compete.
i-represent mo na lang yung Pilipinas sa trabaho ka. Tapos ang dami pang parang inaasikaso.
Oo nga,
very
di ba?
sad.
Nakakaano, na ikaw na yung mag-represent ng Pilipinas, no? Pero parang ayaw ko pang palabasin. No? Parang ayaw ko pang paalisin, no?
No, sa pag-asikaso ng visa.
Pilipinas.
Honestly, ang dami kong naging kaibigan na gamers, di ba? But they consider us
oo.
athletes kasi nga, ganun
Mhm.
din naman yung ginagawa nila.
Mga
As in,
ano,
lagi silang nade-deny.
E-sport player.
Kapag
Yup.
mga international tournaments. Kaya parang nagiging malaking issue na siya.
Represent.
So, represent mo yung Pilipinas sa e-sport, no? Which is, again, para sa ibang tao, hindi siya big deal, no? Pero it's a fucking big deal in the gaming community, no? Nalalaban ka sa e-sport for finals, di ba? Pero sa atin dito sa parang not a big deal. Nalalaban ka sa ganyan, laro lang, game lang sa computer, not a big deal.
Parang yun nga, parang sa mga ganung bagay, I think dapat may mangyari sa government or sa sistema para naman mapadali yung proseso ng paglipad talaga. Kasi parang yung karangalan ng bansa is karangalan naman ng lahat eh. Kumbaga, yun nga, nababalita ngayon yun yung pinaka-example ko kasi pinapanood ko yung mga matches niya ngayon. Kakapanalo niya lang din. So, wala lang, ang galing. Iba-iba eh. So, parang kung isipin mo, if we have the opportunities here, di na sana kailangan lumipad ng matindi.
Yeah, di na
Lalo na
kailangan
sa mga
umalis,
normal
no?
Pilipino.
Kumbaga, aalis na lang tayo ng bansa para magbakasyon sa ibang bansa, hindi para magtrabaho, no? Saya sana kung ganon, right?
Workers.
Especially for the creatives.
Yung creatives, di ba? Parang
Yeah.
tayo ka rin, nakalipad tayo. Tapos hindi nakalipad yung magbibideo sa atin. GG
Ay,
talaga.
wala yan.
Parang they see a lot more opportunities outside the Philippines.
Lalo na kuwari, kasi may collaboration tayo sa ibang artist, sa ibang bansa. Tapos lilipad din yung team natin para gumawa ng music video. O paano kung na-deny sila?
Ano kasi Jessica so?
Wala lang.
Lipad
Bakit?
yung team namin, no?
Okay.
Dilipad.
Next question.
Seryoso.
Hindi. Okay, next question. The track calls out invisible cages that restrict opportunities. What do those invisible cages look like in your own careers? Invisible cages na tayo.
Personally, like,
Ang ginagawa mo, Justin? Invisible cages, ito na ba yun? Sa deep, no? Question.
Invisible cages na tayo.
personally, like what I was said earlier, I think it's the outdated systems that we're
Yep.
currently facing. As someone na maraming complain, I feel like I can always, or marami lang lagi ako napapansin dun sa mga nangyayari. And it feels very a little bit disheartening whenever you go through those kinds of, diba, situations. But since we are, or I am a born fighter, I always try to
Hey,
just solve
born
it
to be
na lang,
fight.
ano.
Fighter dyan.
I always try to solve it in a way.
At ako sa Born to be Fight, no? Kay Badang yun. By the way, kung hindi niyo alam, kay Badang yun sa, sa flip top. Born to be Fight daw.
Na kaya. But when we think about it, it's a lot of diba, parang a lot of the Filipinos are always saying that it's really hard to be a Filipino. It's really hard to be
Yeah, ano to
here
eh.
or to
Pag naging
really
Pilipino
love
ka,
your
ano
country.
yun?
But just want to tell you guys, you should always love your country no matter what. But let's help siguro together we should just let's help each other to
pag na pinanganak ka at nabuhay ka as a Pilipino, no, nasa hard mode ng buhay. No? Naka-hard mode ka every day.
fix the stuff that we're currently facing.
Kaya parang sabi nga,
English daw.
there are lots of things to celebrate Philippines for,
Yes.
but there are also lots of things to be,
To hate.
that we have to fix.
To complain, yeah,
Iba
to hate.
talaga. It's really hard to stomach. Stomach.
Stomach. Hard to stomach.
It's really, we need to fix this, tino mo. Ano ba? What are the investment
Ken, ano ba,
cases that
Ken?
restrict
Chill lang, chill.
opportunities? What do you think?
I think it's the struggle of doing even the simplest things here in the Philippines. So, for
Everything,
example,
right?
yeah. So, like
Lining up.
lining up,
Requirements.
transportation.
Tip na ito ni Josh. Ha? Nirarab niya si Stel, tira mo.
So, yeah, of doing even the
Inakbayan, tapos inaano sa gilid. Hold up to.
simplest things here in the Philippines. So, for
Everything,
example,
right?
Hold up
yeah.
to.
So, like
Lining up.
lining up,
Requirements.
transportations, requirements.
Mag-apply ng ID,
Yeah,
tapos you need
IDs.
another ID.
You need another IDs getting
For
anything.
you to get an
is-
ID, you have to have an
Simplest
ID.
things.
Diba? Ganun.
It's really hard to do here in the Philippines, and
First time mo magtrabaho, tapos
what's
kailangan
invisible.
experience.
Oh, diba? Yung
Kailangan
pa,
na
yung
4
pa.
years
Even
experience,
getting a schedule to get
yeah.
to get a visa or passport, parang it's
Nakakatawa nga yun, no? Kailangan mo ng ID. No, kailangan, isa sa mga requirements, ID. Wala kang ID, kaya ako kumukuha ng ID eh. At the same time, kailangan mo ng trabaho, no? Tapos ang requirements nila para magkatrabaho ka is dapat meron ka ng trabaho dati or experience. Paano pag wala ka pang, God damn it, man.
it's hard to get it. Like, especially right now, ang daming, just a lot
I mean, nagigets ko yung educational attainment eh. 'Di ba? Yung requirement nila na kailangan tapos ka ng ganito. Gets na may mga trabahong ganon. Kailangan may pinag-aralan ka talaga. Naiintindihan ko yung mga yon eh. Don't have any complaint about that. Pero yung mga trabaho na kahit mga entry level lang na trabaho, no, maybe like yung vacancy sa trabaho na may posisyon like a manager, ganyan, maintindihan ko kung maghahanap siya ng experience, right? Makes sense, right? But yung mga entry level lang na, like just staff level na trabaho, minsan maghahanap pa siya ng experience. Like, what the hell? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Kaya ka naghahanap ng trabaho kasi walang trabaho eh. Or di pa nakakapagtrabaho. Kahit na entry level, staff level lang, hahanap ka pa ng experience. Pilipinas to.
people that needs to get it then. And then when you arrive there,
I mean, sobrang danas ko yan dati, no? Nagtrabaho ako kasi as a barista, staff. Nagtrabaho ako sa SM as a consignor sa big sa supermarket, sa convenience store, 'di ba? Diyan sa MOA, diyan sa SM South Mall sa Las Piñas. Nagtrabaho ako as tawag dito, promoter ng cellphone, no? Nagtrabaho ako as a sales agent sa isang financing or lending company, man. And alam mo 'yon, bago ako maka-apply dun sa mga like, sa financing company na na-applyan ko. Buti lang meron akong experience na, at least about paano ba sabihin ito? Like promoting something or something like that on sales, 'di ba? Sales na experience. Kasi pag hindi ka makapasok, kailangan na experience sa sales. Pero yung trabaho dun is napaka entry level lang. Hindi mo kailangan ng mataas na knowledge sa sales para gawin yung trabaho na yun. Pero again, kasi nasa requirements pa rin nila, and making it hard na para maka-apply sa at least maayos na trabaho.
they will ask a lot of requirements na wala ka naman. Kaya ka nga nandun because you need that. Pero they'll ask for it. So parang, ano nangyari sa system?
But actually, it's good that right now somehow we are like using the advantage of technology, the internet, online schedules, getting
True.
passing
Mga
the
ganun na
requirements
ngayon, no?
online. But I feel like with the advancement all over the world in general, still Philippines is not that advanced.
Yeah.
I think we could
Naiiwan
still
tayo.
maximize
Totoo lang.
using the
Naiiwan
internet,
tayo, no?
online requirements, the systems.
Yeah.
We could invest more with like the online systems that we have. So passing the requirements, using anything online, so that since we're struggling with the transportations and all that, I think we could still maximize that. But yeah.
Or
Very
maybe
well
even
said.
the tangible things na kailangan for a visa or to fly. Kasi I have a good friend, si John, yung nabalita siya kasi may konting punit yung passport niya. His passport
Ayun yung inad nila yun sa details sa music video, right? Yung may pulit yung passport. Sobrang liit lang, no?
has a slight tear, and he wasn't able. He was offloaded, or maybe isolated. He was not
Yeah, it's on the inad nila yan sa music video in detail na yan.
allowed to fly because there's a slight tear on his passport, and I think that's absurd compared to the people that we know. For example, with their passport is cardboard. It's a very durable one. So I mean, if we pay taxes, it should have been a better
The quality
of
of
the
Yeah,
passport.
okay.
Of course, if you are a frequent flyer, it will be really hard to maintain the quality of the passport.
Yeah,
For me,
lagi kang-
before
lagi mo
I
nagagamit.
tried to buy what do you call it? Passport holder. But people or the immigration always tell you to remove it or don't put anything like that because it messes with how they scan how it's scanned in the the
system.
machines
Alright,
and
okay,
how they
okay.
look at it and put it inside. So you don't know how you will like adjust to these kinds of things because all you have I think what you need to do is really take care or do not fly anymore. Do
Don't
not
fly
fly anymore for
anymore,
your passport not to get damaged, right? So yeah, I think it's a very a great discussion for all
Tapos, syempre, di ba, pag sa ano, pag lilipad ka, madali ka, no? So, kaya ang kailangan ng gusto lang gawin, kailangan babyhin mo talaga yung passport mo, no? Paano pag madali ka? Minsan ka nakakalimutan mo yung mga gamit mo, di ba? So, minsan yung passport, bubuksan mo na lang, lalagyan mo lang sa bag mo, mabilisan, di ba? Kasi nagmamadali ka.
Filipinos to for our system to be quite fixed.
Next question. We're
That's
running out
right.
of time.
Next question.
Pablo shared that the melody came to him during a brand campaign shoot. How did that initial idea evolve into such politically and socially charged? I forgot. Honestly, I forgot. But during that time, you were shooting a certain
Brand.
brand ad, and we were dancing.
Parang naalala ko.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
hotdog.
yeah.
Shit. Narinig kita nun eh.
Yeah. So I
Beef! Ganun-ganun ka sa gilid. Beef! Beef!
Pa siya.
I just thought of,
Kausap sarili.
but the initial idea is, yeah, I heard melody, and then I just thought that Ian, there's a lot of things.
Nakakatawa, no? Parang gusto ko tuloy makita si yung process ni Pablo kung paano siya gumawa ng kanta. Di ba? Nakakatawa tuloy.
Celebrate for being Filipino, and definitely I love the Philippines. I'd like to live here.
Mhm.
Yes, I like to live
Yes.
here, but there are also like Noy Pinoy, something like that. So that's the whole point. That's where the whole concept of visa revolved.
Have
And
you shared
then-
the meaning of that? Noy Pinoy.
I think the fans have
Pinoy.
like they were able to
Decode it.
decode the
The meaning of that
the
part.
meaning of that part.
Like that. The
Especially
different.
yung part mo.
Okay.
So ayun. How did initially you involve into such socially charged? Yeah, that's what I've been saying. People might say we're apolitical or not, but I think everything's political.
Yeah.
You do
Yeah.
things because you experience things and you
Yeah.
want to change things for all the
True.
people to have a better life. And
I mean, ano ba gusto nyo? Pag
that's
gumawa lang tayo everyday ng love song or like ng sad song or ng pang-hype lang na kanta, ganun ba? I mean, again, maganda yung kanta lalo kung meron siyang meaning, no? Meron siyang proper meaning na makaka-relate ka, no? Hindi laging love song. I mean, minsan nakaka-relate ka rin naman sa love song, no? Pero hindi lagi pakilig or hindi lagi pa-hype or palungkot, man. Kailangan meron tayong meaning na meron ka nararamdaman na, related sa kung ano na nangyayari sa paligid mo. And kung ano yung gusto lang sabihin. I mean, that is, kagandahan sa pagiging artist na meron kang freedom para i-express yung gusto mo sabihin.
connected to everything that we do.
Excuse me.
So it's really impossible to be apolitical. So yeah, I guess. But this time in Visa, with the song that we just released, just want to really tell all the people in the world outright that with our voice and with our influence, we want to raise questions or raise
Malapit na
discussion
mag-12.
about
Mhm.
the things that we've been experiencing.
Okay.
Why, for the next sa susunod na halalan, we're gonna vote for apples.
What?
As apoliticals. Okay, next.
Malapit na mag-12, bilisan natin.
Josh, compared...
compare
Hindi talaga naiiwasan. Hindi niya na
athletes,
maiwasan.
creatives.
How important was it for you to draw parallels between entertainment, creative, and sports in this narrative?
Well, it's like what I've said. You've been doing so much, diba, for the country, and
Sabi nila, Tagalog na lang, please.
Tagalog
Tagalog.
lang, please. I believe that, sabi ko, it's really
Ako, si Pablo pinag-i-English, Tagalog. Si Josh pinagtatagalog na, nag-English pa din. Diyos ko naman.
Hard to give a lot.
Diba?
I mean,
Walit na ng dalawang day.
I don't know if we are really seeing the benefit or the benefits of what we have been doing, or the syempre the people.
I mean, nakita naman natin yung progress, no? Na ginagawa nila. Pero sobrang bagal, no? I feel like sa sobrang taas and sobrang quality ng nilalabas ng SB19 or pinapakita nila. I feel like dapat mas mataas pa dito yung yung naabot nilang recognition lalo na sa Pilipinas, no? Sa kung gaano kalupit or gaano no, nakaka-amaze yung mga na-achieve nila. Nabibigay nilang karangalan para sa atin. Pero parang lang hindi pinapansin,
Siguro above us sees what we have been trying to achieve, and we'd like to actually catch their attention in order for everyone to syempre have the same. I'm not gonna say na parang dapat ganito may privilege tayo, may but if you're doing so much for your goal and the country, siguro at least a little bit of consideration when it comes to these things. Na kasi for us, especially for athletes, creatives, and other people who have been siguro exporting, syempre, di ba, these stuff, parang we could have used that time for other, siguro, mas importanteng, siguro.
So sinasabi dito yung nasayang na oras dahil sa pagpoproseso nito kasi kakapadelay nyo ng padelay, no? Isa na nagamit sa mas maayos o mas productive na bagay kaysa, andito kami nakapila or andito kami naghihintay kasi dinedelay nyo or nag-require kayo ng mas marami pang requirements, for this to just push through or mag-proseso or continue. Nasayang yung oras, kumbaga, nandito kami waiting or andito kami puro proseso to ng paulit-ulit para lang pumayag kayo.
It could be something like an event or maybe we should a craft, pero we always
Nagamit sa mas
tend
productive
to
na bagay.
parang kailangan maglaan kami ng a lot of time to get those requirements,
parang allowance,
to
no?
get a lot of stuff na para ma-represent mo lang yung bansa mo.
Pilipinas.
Ano yun?
Wala. Go, continue.
Alright.
Dito si Josh.
Dito si Josh.
Ayun, so parang siguro
So, yan, no?
yung may sinasabi. Pero ayun,
Sa Scooby-Doo na. Sabi ko sana parang sa
Pero
Scooby-Doo.
I'm just I just want
Sorry.
I've always had this dream na parang
Something.
parang darating tayo sa point na lagi sinasabi ng mga tao, SB19 or ibang artist, kayo na yan eh. But how about us together as Filipinos, di ba? And us, diba, parang, ano yung beats? As Filipinos na magkakasama tayo na ginagawa yung dapat para sa country natin, siguro mas malakas yun if ever na nagsama-sama tayo. We treat siguro ourselves or siguro we treat the athletes, creatives, and artists as a team more than an enemy sometimes, di ba?
Next question. Stel mentioned this release defines a new era for SB19. In what ways does Visa mark a shift in your sound and identity as artist? Siguro nasabi ko to kasi from before, I think we've been very vocal naman with the topics na nilalagay ni Pablo sa songs or sa mga
pero,
stories namin. But
di ba, nabanggit ko sa reaction natin sa Visa nilang kanta. Which is, again, meron tayong reaction doon, guys. If you di pa nakapanood, man, kung gusto nyo panoorin, you're into those type of things, like reacting to music or watching music reaction, nag-react tayo doon. Sabi ko nga, sobrang naman sila, no? Yung sinasabi talaga lang gusto nang sabihin. Pero before, parang in a, creative way of writing, like hindi siya direct to the point, 'di ba? Kailangan mo siyang i-decipher pa i-decode para malaman mo na, yung pala yung ibig na sabihin doon. Or like, it's a symbolism at the background of their music video. But now, I mean, tumatapang ng lima ang mahalima, no? Ang tatapang namin. Meron pa rin namang, meron pa rin double entendre, like, wordplay, but it's on your face now. Nakangarat na sa mukha mo, no? Yung gusto lang sabihin. Like, parang ang hirap niya ng iwasan or ang hirap na sabihin na, hindi ko naintindihan. Hindi posible. Imposible.
I think this time, more on the new era. I think it's I think it's more of we're ready to face anything. Like we don't give shit anymore. Parang ganun. Hindi, I mean, okay naman kami. Pero kasi I think sa panahon ngayon, kasalanan ng pumikit kapag namulat ka. Parang ganun. So, hindi, I mean, di ba, tama naman. Kung alam mo na, tapos wala kang gagawin to change yung mali, parang hahayaan mo na lang. So parang, I think we're ready to be like, to face kung ano man yung big challenges na i-face pa namin or kung sino man yung hindi naman kami nandito para banggain kung sino yung mga nasa taas or anything but we're here to correct things lang. We have the influence, we have the voice. Why not gamitin siya sa magandang bagay to help not only the people na nagsasuffer but of course lahat ng tao na nakaka-experience and gustong mabago yung mali, di ba? So
Sure.
I think itong era na to is not just being SB19 being very strong or pagiging vocal but
Okay, I just realized, no, I love this live, no? Itong salubong na to. Parang ano mo yun, naka-enjoy lagi yung pag-live sila. Isa sa mga na gustong-gusto ko yung parang ang kukulit nila, no? Sobrang lap trip tayo. But, ngayon, parang sobrang meaningful, no? Sobrang ganda ng discussion and ng topics natin. Sobrang enjoy ko, man.
I think we care more about not with our artistry but also with what's happening in our country. Kung saan kami nakatira kasi hindi lang naman kami mag-benefit dito. It's for everyone. So
True.
it's best if we help each other to change kung ano yung mali and we will do our thing, do your thing, and let's help each other to create a better world for everyone.
Let's go.
We are the children. Let's support each other to make a brighter day. So
Alright,
let's start
I just wanted to
getting
share
it.
London because it's good with the background music, but I just wanted to share that the message that the song wanted to bring, because
Because,
we know that Filipinos are really skillful.
Yeah.
During the tour, everywhere we go, there's a Filipino working as a businessman, as
Yes.
health worker, and so many works that they can do. And they're skillful enough. And I think that talent or skill of the Filipinos should have give us like privilege, or actually we can really empower Philippines by that if we were able to really choose the right people or like unite Filipinos to make a better system. And because I feel like the skills that we have are usually go to waste because of not
Being supported.
supported by the
talaga, our government.
the country, the system. So
Or even fellows.
or even, so I feel like we could earn the privilege of not having so much, not requiring a visa if we could really maximize the skills of the Filipinos. So I hope that
Yep.
message would really be understood by the listeners of the Song Visa.
Last 10 minutes before the music video drops.
Oh,
Yay!
yay.
It's kind of like a sarcasm song, so
Can describe
I
the
really like
production
it. I
as
really like it.
conventional and orthodox.
bakit ako nag-ano? Ikaw nag-produce na ito?
Hindi, the way lang. Siyempre, artist ka eh. Iba
Yeah.
naman yung pagkanta sa demo. sa pagkaway ng interpretation. Sa iba paliwanag.
It's a sarcasm song, and it's really, we're not really bound to anything. Like you should sing it like this, you should sing it like that. It's just like
Mhm.
it's really how you feel about the song. That you could really express what you
Yeah, is your own interpretation basically. Right? It's your own interpretation. You do you. Kung ano tingin nyo, kung anong sinasabi nila doon, no?
really feel. So yeah, whenever we record song, like okay, beep. Okay, I just wanted to share. I mean, like, I just wanted to say that I hope that the song will give you a lot of inspiration or like motivation to speak up, because
Mhm.
we are all paying taxes here. So
Yes,
know,
go!
I'm really
We're paying taxes to kumain kami dito! Kumain kami!
really frustrated, because like everybody's paying taxes.
Uh-huh.
To be honest,
Kaya ginagadyo si Ken eh.
we're not getting I mean, like the system, like
Enough like-
what you said
Yeah.
a while ago. Our system is outdated, so
Mhm.
we're all paying taxes. So don't be afraid to speak up, because I think it's your right.
Yep.
So speak up. Don't be scared.
Freedom of
Gusto
speech.
ko hindi i-share.
Freedom of
kasi
speech.
Huwag na. Mag-end na tayo ng live eh.
I just want to share because here in the Philippines,
Wag na, wag na.
people really play on sarcasm. And
Yeah.
sometimes for you to be able to put out or maybe say your sentiments, you try to say it as a joke.
Yeah.
Mhm.
To soften the blow
Or not to offend anyone.
not
Yeah.
offend
Mahilig ka
anyone.
mga Pilipino sa
I
ganyan
think
eh.
people should really practice it,
Alright.
not to sugarcoat anything.
Yeah.
I think that
Direct
I
to the
mean,
point. I mean,
it's
okay lang
very-
naman mag-sugarcoat. A little bit, no? But, pag napakaseryoso ng bagay, di ba? Man, stop playing around with words. Just sabihin mo na lang.
it's very cultural. I think some
So
people
to
could
me,
really do it
to me, like
directly.
personally, I would really love, like, people
Aww.
say anything to me, like in a real
Straight to the
honest
point.
way, rather
Mhm.
than like seeing it as a joke, because that's a lot more.
Para ano lang, para maging, parang maging light yung situation na parang, kasi, hindi, hayaan mo yan. Ano kasi, pre, parang, alam mo yun, ginagawang light yung situation, which is, di na sabihin ng diretso. Yeah, get it.
For you,
Yeah.
Gaya ng mga
for other
Pilipino yan.
people.
I'm like that's why I'm saying that they should learn.
They should learn,
take.
alright.
They should learn to take
Eh,
something like that.
The world will be much easier if people are like that. But I mean, for other people, because if I try to say, well, let's say you did something, your work is ugly. It's easier for me to accept it. But some people get demoralized.
I think
or
I think it should not be
True.
something like that
They're-
is ugly. It should be like
kindness,
like,
kindness.
I mean, like, oh, you should do it like this, like kind of like education.
Then
Like
maybe we should change his line.
should-
What?
some-
This is ugly.
something that you can learn.
This is
from.
ugly.
Yeah, yeah.
You
So
cannot say that.
so when you
Yeah,
say
say
something,
that.
it should
Ano
be
naman?
treated
Something.
with
Dami
kindness.
like it.
This is kind of something. So
Yeah.
you need to like that.
All right. Okay, let's
Fine.
next question. As
7
you
minutes.
as you introduce this new era with Visa, what conversations do you hope it sparks among Filipinos at home and abroad? I think we've already covered this question, but I guess what we would like to tell everyone is to really use your voice. Like
Yep.
really,
Speak up.
if you have something in mind, discuss everything.
Kumanta, no?
Like, but do it with kindness because
Yeah.
like everybody has a different opinions.
Don't be
And
afraid
if you're trying to prove a
Like me,
point,
I'm a rainbow.
to prove a point, prove a point, it'll be much easier if you're not shoving it into people's mouths or people's ears.
Yep.
You should come from a place of compassion and understanding and,
love.
kindness para mas ma-vocalize mo yung punto mo. Mas makinig yung mga tao sa'yo.
Vocalize, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yan
Kita ko
siguro,
sa Pistel, eh, no?
meron pa ba questions? Meron pa ba? Yeah, wala pa naman. Pero siguro to add, visa is not just about, of course, it's not just being political or it's just about the system, but I think it's the same thing. How you guys or how siguro usually Filipinos say is something like pang-international. So, what does pang-international means?
Yung ano,
For me,
parang
I think this is a preference, but
international.
I usually find it funny when someone say it. Although I feel, syempre, parang flattered, or I mean, I appreciate it, but a lot of those parang syempre they don't know what it means. Pero
Parang
pag
pag sinabi na pang international, parang, maganda talaga. 'Di ba? Kailangan dumating pa sa international. Di ba pwedeng sa Pilipino, yung level ng kakayahan natin is, ito yung maganda, ito yung ano natin. Feeling natin kasi lagi pag international or sa galing sa ibang bansa, maganda. O dito galing sa atin, hindi. Kapag sinasabi na international, pang international level yung dating maganda.
inisip mo siya ng may critical thinking, hindi ba tayo kasama sa pang-international?
Yeah, kaya
You know,
nga eh.
kasi para pag sinabi mo, you're putting Filipinos down na, pag pang-international yun yung mas angat. That's how I see it, but I don't have any problems with it, but I just hope na we can make it one day. Na sinasabi, uy,
One day.
he's
One
he's
day.
parang nandun siya sa level na yon, and we're not gonna be settling for pang-international. Uy, pang-international. Pag may nakita kang magaling, pang-international.
Pang-international
It's
na.
not gonna be normalized like that. Pero yun, ano to? As you introduce this new era with...
Ayun nga.
Ay, tapos na pala.
And then also, I think we are planning to start a conversation sa mga social medias namin. So if you have time and if you want to share any experiences, personal man yan or hindi, free to check it and drop any comments, any experiences. Doon tayo mag-start ng magandang conversations, and let's shake the world with our
Shake.
conscience.
Let's shake.
But yeah, anyways, I think we are 4 minutes before the music video drops, and I think you guys are very excited for it. Same as everyone else, we're very excited too na makita nyo kung ano yung ginawa namin for this Visa music video. I think
Kailan kaya nila siningit yan, no? Yung pag-shoot ng music video na yan to, or pagko-compose na yan, kantang to. Sobrang kabisihan nila, no? Kaya sila nasingit yan. Nakakapagtaka eh, no? Nakakapagtaka na. Pili ko meron silang time machine kung saan natitigil nilang oras para makagawa ng mga bagay na to. Theory. It's a fucking theory, man.
may mga tao dito na may ideas na kung ano yung makikita nila sa music video, but our creatives talagang ginawa nilang something very creative and very fun and quirky yung music video namin, and we hope you enjoyed it mamaya pag nakanood nyo. And gusto lang rin namin sabihin na after this, we will be directing you to the music video. Tama ba?
Same.
So, yes.
Sa Kalaka.
Pero may request sila. Guys, sample nung dance.
Oh.
Who wants to dance? Oh, sample daw ng
Ikaw.
dance.
Stel.
Oh,
Stel.
let's go, Josh.
Josh, go.
Yun lang.
Let's go.
Kasi ngaya ako ay 6, 7, and... Agay! Wala na.
Nakalimutan yung step.
Agay! Ano ba yan? Game. Ako na.
Okay, sabi sa Estel. Let's go. Hindi, ito si Josh. Nagkamali.
Saan ba dito?
Mamaya, ano pa? Uy!
Hey.
Doon lang wala sa timing.
Hey. Inoy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. That was choreographed by the one and only Coach Jay.
Any last words?
Thanks.
Thanks.
So,
Last
that's
word.
it for
Thanks.
our live stream, for our syempre salubong to our Visa music video. And
Let's
it's gonna
go.
be out in 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes, so you can stream 2 minutes. So you can stream Visa on all platforms and watch it all our watch
Watch
our
it
music
naman.
video
Nag-stop
on-
na.
well, you can watch our okay. You can watch our music video on YouTube. Go to our YouTube
Let's
channel. It's
go.
official SB19 or SB19 official, whatever. But and of course, Wakas at Simula is gonna be the best concert ever. We're claiming it, and I hope you guys can watch it as well. I hope we can be with you guys and you can watch it live. It's gonna be on April 18
Let's
at
go.
SMDC Open Grounds.
So
Let's go.
stream
Concert
visa.
grounds.
Ang utos ng Josh. Stream visa.
Stream
Utos ko.
visa.
Dagdagan ng
Nadagdagan na.
utos ng Josh.
Ng Josh.
Thank you for all the 16,000,
16,500.
Morning,
Yes.
morning
Hi, guys.
live stream sa Lubong 16.
Directing you to the
God
music video. Please
damn.
to enjoy the Visa music video, guys.
Bye, 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 bye.
Guys,
Bye, guys.
Huwag kayo
go.
laalis. Huwag kayo alis. Huwag kayo alis. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave.
Huwag
Just
tayo
wait for
alis.
it.
Alex, dahil magbabalik ang
Dito lang kayo.
The Zone.
Huwag kayo alis.
Yeah, we'll be redirecting you to
But
the...
mariredirect pa rin kaya tayo ngayon.
Josh Cullen?
Tingnan natin kung ilalagay sa music video. Magiging recommended na lang pala siya, no? Alright, well again, that is SB19 Visa music video live sa Lubong, no? I really enjoyed this live, itong sa Lubong nila kasi sobrang daming parang very interesting topic na napag-usapan and then na-tackle during this live, no? So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that as well, no? And if you guys want us to react to more of SB19 or want us to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, and get a hype, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. And peace.